Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Pitsi has been fired from Skeem and has been replaced. Rumor is saying that he was fired from Skeem due to the complaints regarding his acting and the portrayal of his character. When the news spread, it raised some concerns to the directors and they decided to replace him. On the other hand, his family wanted him to step down from acting, prioritizing his well-being and personal development. The new Pitsi will start showing on Monday, 2 September 2024. On this day, Tibos and Mapitsi will be embarking on a new journey of their independence in their new double story. Can't wait to explore this journey with them. And today will be the last day of Cosmo acting on Generations The Legacy. I don't know the reason why he's leaving, but I think we'll miss him. We've been seeing him since Generations The Legacy started. I just hope we're going to see them in other productions because Cosmo has been acting since a long time ago with his Tsotsi character.